Sorry. Gusto ko ng kapayapaan sa buong mundo. Ako si Adam. Doon naman usapin sa LBGT. Lahat nagkaroon ng diskriminasyon ng bawat relihiyon.
Italiano Marcos are the first family of our President Ferdinand Marcos.
Ano karami, ma'am? Yung gold gun, ilang metric tons, ma'am?
Mapagpalang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, everybody. I am a authorized representative, Leia Cedeño Balopinos, representative for Senator Robert Marcos Taglian Taliano D.P. I would like to introduce him as a senator, delegate senator. Hawakan ko na lang. I would like to introduce him to be a senatorial candidate just to expose that he is the chairman of the Alpha Omega Global Community Development Marshall Program.
Name po ni sa Italiano po talaga ang kanyang ano?
The Italiano Marcos are the first family of our President Ferdinand Marcos. Robert Taliano Marcos is the son of the first family, Princess Inimisia Cruzin Marcos Taliano, married to President Marcos, the first family. And the first son is Tiburcio Villamor Marcos, who is the first son of our president. And he has now a next son, Robert Marcos, to be exposed, will be serving the Filipino people.
Ito po, mama, may kinalaman dun sa napapabalita ng Taliano Gold. Siya po yung may-ari ng Taliano Gold.
Taliano, if you have a history, tayo mga Pilipino, behind tayo kasi history. Taliano family are the royal family of England. They are the family tree, and this is the owner of the assets that was handed from the generation to generation up to this Taliano Marcos family. Kasi the first family is Princess Inimisia Taliano Taglian, married to President Marcos when he was still a soldier. Hindi pa siya presidente that time. They have 3 children. One son, Tiburcio Villamor Marcos Taglian, two daughters, nagbalik na ho sa Spain. Tiburcio Villamor Marcos has a son, Robert Marcos Tagliano, na ito na ang tatakbo ng senador dito sa Pilipinas.
Yung advocacy po ba niya once makaupo siya sa Senate is ipapamigay niya po yung mga nakatago na Taliano Gold?
Yes, there is. The Italiano are the first richest, the first owner of the divine wealth to be given to every Filipino people. And President Marcos, as a legal counsel of the Taliano clan during his soldiers, married to Princess Inimisia, who is the daughter of King Philip II of Spain.
Then, ma'am, meron dito sa Facebook. Siya po ba yun? Same person po ba ito yung nangangako ng 5 million each?
Okay.
Ayan po yan.
Yung pangako niya, lahat yan be given to the Filipino people. As of now, we have really activated some of the servicing bank here in the Philippines. Even the Bangko Sentral acknowledged our accounts. But there should be an activation of the central bank that will distribute, and the owner of the accounts in the central bank is Tiburcio Marcos Taglian Taliano IV. Kaya, I want you to be aware of this. There will be time that the distribution of wealth will be given to the entire 110 Filipino people. I, for one, as a governor general of this account, I know it. We have an acknowledgement confirmation paper from the Bangko Sentral, but the local banks cannot supply all the cash to be flow. That's why we have to activate the Central Bank of the Philippines.
Gaano man
And
karami?
the owner of this is Tiburcio Villamor Marcos Taliano IV.
Gaano karami, ma'am, yung gold? Ilang metric tons, ma'am?
Itong atin kasi ito Pilipino, and I have to tell you, there is a 400,000 metric tons para sa pera natin yan.
Ma'am, last
But
question.
we have to activate first the Central Bank of the Philippines.
Ma'am, can you spell out your first and last name, ma'am?
Leah, L-E-A-H, C period, Balofinos, B-A-L-O-F-I-N-O-S. I am proud to say and introduce myself just to uplift and realize the mission, our mission for humanity. Uplift the life of 110 Filipino people nationwide.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po.
Tanong.
Gusto mo na rin magtanong? Oo. Sige po. 2 minutes, sir. Sige po. Wag lang sigaw lang, ano? Sige lang. 2 minutes.
Ako po si Adam. Naghanap ng kapayapaan sa buong mundo. Ay, sorry. Gusto ko ng kapayapaan sa buong mundo. Ako si Adam. Gusto ko ipaliwanag sa inyo ang paglikha ng lupa at langit. Ang paglikha ng langit at lupa at pag-alayin sa bawat country. Gusto ko susukatin ito para maiwasan ang digmaan sa buong mundo. Ang bawat territory at boundary, kailangan masusukat ito, ay program ito sa tinatawag nating global map. At yung Philippine Sea, diyan natin itatayo ang tinatawag nating international nga samahan sa buong mundo para maiwasan na ang gulo sa buong mundo. Yan ang pagkukulang sa bawat isa. Nagkaroon ng rebellion sa Allah. Gusto ko mabago ng lahat. Hindi ito pagkukunya sa bawat isa. Ngunit, hindi ako naparito parang sisirain ko ang pangarap ninyo. Ako'y nabahala. Bakit ako nabahala? Sa lahat na hindi nakaintindihan sa buong mundo. Ang bawat mga bansa, magkaroon ito pagsusukat. Susukatin ito bawat nautical miles. Diyan sa Philippine Sea, tinatawag ito ng mandato. Ang mandato, ipapatupad ang bilateral pagsusukat. Hindi yung puro salita. Hahamunin natin sila ng salita at susukatin. Doon naman usapin sa LBGT. Lahat nagkaroon ng diskriminasyon ng bawat relihiyon. Iyan ay pagkukunya at paninira sa Allah. Hindi siya naglikha ng mali. Siya ay tama. Bilang senador nga si Adam, gusto ko maipasa ang LGBTQ. Bakit? Ay, pwede ba usin lang yun?
Tapos na po yung 2 minutes.
Sayang.
Sir, gatanong na sa media, no? Gana-answer ka ng question sa
Pwede
media.
ba ipaliwanag ko yung sa registered cellphone number?
So, sabi mo, napaguli ka 2 minutes, di ba? O, tanong na po sa media ngayon, sir, 8 minutes. Sino po may tanong? From the media?
Tagalog lang.
Tagalog lang daw.
O hindi social media, yung Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Wala po.
Or registered cellphone number.
Sir,
Paano ipaliwanag?
sir, wala pong
Wala
tanong.
naman.
Walang tanong.
Okay.
Dito na tayo, sir.
I want you to do me a favor. I want you to tell all your friends about me. What are you?